Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be doing part 3 of our road work in St. Thomas. So when you see those construction sites, you know that work is continuing. So go ahead and have a good look of what is happening so far. Guys, I've heard so much about this new stretch of road that we are using. In the meantime, they are fixing the other side. So I'm on it now, guys, and it feels amazing. Yes, it's even though it's just a short road, just a short version of the road itself, it feels really good knowing that we are coming from over there to here. So there are progress happening in St. Thomas, all right? And guys, this is little before you get to Grand Span, to little below Albion, all right? So guys, I'm back to normal road now, but that was a great experience. It was smooth, it was just nice driving on there. I thought I was in the South Coast, but no, it's St. Thomas. So kudos to the workmen, kudos to those who have done that stretch of the road so far, and we are looking forward to more progress in the near future. Okay guys, Yellow's Bridge. Remember this bridge? Yes, this. So guys, I'm heading in from Poor Man's Corner to into Yellow's. They are still working. It's either they are working on the highway or they are laying pipes. So two things happening over here. So you have to be careful on these roads, all right? Look at the yellow span in this color. Not so sure what took its place with it. It's green. Anyways, yellow span There's a story behind this, guys, but next time we will talk about it. So I'm back now, guys, heading into White Horses, and this corner is the Roach Gully corner. Yes, work is being carried out around this side also. There we are over corner. Nice little hut though. Them set you up nice, jelly man. Is the best therapy. Yes, the best therapy you can find sea water. Beautiful sea as usual. Yeah. We are at Russell now, guys. This is how far we have reached with the road. This is a new section also. Big up yourself, work man. Yes, new section. So as I said before, little by little, progress. Yes. Little by little, progress. Guys, and look where the sea is, right over there. Beautiful sea is right over there. The beautiful sea is right on the side of the road. See it? Are you seeing it, guys? Yes, it's gonna be beside the highway. Woo! Beautiful sea. Yes, workmen. Do the thing. Why? Them patrol, there's two no longer be. Soon no longer be. In the name of Jesus. I claim this highway for the people of St. Thomas. Yes. Suffering too long, too long, too long. So I'm claiming this highway. He's still there, guys. The sea is still there. St. Thomas is full of seas and rivers. Beautiful parish, beautiful. Just need some development, you know? Yeah. If we have the right development over here, guys, this parish would have been a boom. Yes. Open seafood, vegetarian, local dishes. Okay. 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 Work everywhere. Work being done everywhere on the road. Everywhere. Almost everywhere. Yes. Give him pass now. Car, give him pass now. You still go on it with him? Mercy. These drivers. guys, we're in License and the hospital is right over there. And look at the road. It's so bad. The hospital must need free space, good roads in case of an emergency. So the situation over here is dire. We are in need of the road. So guys, please get this word out. Authority, please hurry and fix this section of the road. It is in an emergency situation. There is the Princess Margaret Hospital right over there, guys. Yes. Must be an end to this. Can't be so all the time. One little piece of side road, everybody have fight to come, and the side road not even good. Watch that. Two sides, so close to the hospital. There's no road. Piece of good road right there, so you're there. You see people? Not joke, it's not joke thing out here. Everything serious out here. Catch up. One little precipice there, so one little caution tape there, so one little hole there, so you have to be careful. You don't drop in there. And then still a come down point, you know. They're still coming down. So guys, after that, let's enjoy some beautiful beach scenery. Right there, guys. It was so nice, guys. I have to play twice. Enjoy. It was my pleasure taking you along with me on this road trip today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.